Join me today to make these adorable no-carve pumpkins. These decorated pumpkins are super cute and easy, so much less mess, and the best bit, they will stay fresh so you can eat them afterwards. Our friends at the environmental charity Hubbub found out that every year millions and millions of pumpkins end up in the bin, carved but not eaten. What a waste! So come on, check out these easy makes with me today and let's decorate our pumpkins as well as eat them. I hope you agree that these no-carve pumpkins really are easy to make and look great lit up. So why not give them a try and you might just find your new favourite Halloween tradition, decorating and eating your pumpkin.